Previously, yesterday's vlog. I just have to make sure that I'm organized. I have my pens, I have my paper, I have my lunch bag. I just have everything in my work bag that I need before I head out the door and go to work. This is how I am when it's time for me to go to work Fridays and Saturday. I need to go to work prepared with everything: my pens, my paper, my work bag, my personal bag. Look at me. I just need to get up out of here and go to work. Hello, lovely people. I am currently at work. Today is May 31st, and it is Friday. And it's a lovely work day. Back to work. Yeah, your girl is in the house. This morning started off real busy. If you don't know, I really do not like vlogging at work, but I'm gonna pick up the camera. I feel kind of weird like vlogging because I don't want nobody to think that I'm talking to myself, you know what I mean? So yeah. But yeah, every now and then I'll pick y'all up. Nothing going on. Taking my 15-minute break. Yes, indeed. And I'll pick y'all up later. Now, I have to be honest with y'all. Normally, when I get home from work, I'm like in a rush. I'm rushing to take a bath. I'm rushing to cook dinner. I'm rushing to edit the vlog. But today, I just want to take it easy. You know what I mean? Like, okay, I normally go to bed like before 11 o'clock. Okay, so tonight, I'm going to go to bed like at 10 o'clock instead of just rushing. And I was thinking today, like on my way home, I was like, what am I rushing for? What are you rushing for? And that's my problem. I'm always rushing. But this vlog will get done. And this Friday plan with me is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be work plan with me. And the plan is just to take my time. Just to take my time. Now, for June 1st, I already got my rent out of the way. And then Monday, which is June the 3rd, I have an appointment again. And then I have to check on my son's stuff. And then I also have a Temu package. I ordered some things off of Temu and I need to find out where my package is at. because I'm not getting any current updates. The last update I got on my Temu package was May the 25th, and I haven't heard where my package is at recently. So hopefully my package is on its way. Now, I never ordered off of Shein, but one of my coworkers was showing me some items that she purchased off of Shein. And I was like, that's cool. She showed me this checkered phone case that was really cute. And I told her, I said, girl, I never ordered off of Shein, but I'll have to try it one of these days. Ooh. Okay, hours are in. Hold on, y'all. Oh, sorry about that, y'all. We were bringing in the groceries. But anywho, okay, we got the groceries in and they're settled in, okay? I love to cook every day, okay? I cook every day, okay? Even when I get off work, I still cook most of the time, okay? But yeah, so tonight, I'ma just take it easy. I opened up my monthly planner. We go look over that for a little bit, and then that's it. And I'm just being straight to the point with y'all. Now, I'm about to get in some soap and water, and I'll talk to y'all in a little bit, okay? Y'all, so tomorrow is June the 1st. Rent is paid. Wow, the first lands on Saturday tomorrow. Lovely, lovely. Back to work tomorrow. And tonight, I'm gonna just do monthly plan with me a little differently. I'm gonna start by adding some stickers to my monthly planner. Look at this coffee with a instrument on it. Can't think of the name of it. Okay, I'm about to have all these sticker problems. Trying to get this sticker off. Okay, I want to put it like over here. And then I want to put like a cup of coffee because I love drinking my coffee. This is gigantic. Hold on, y'all. Here. And then I have a melanin sticker. Melanin shades. These stickers are huge, y'all. I'm like, okay, I'll just put it here. There. I have a lot of coffee stickers. Right now, those stickers will do. Okay, so work. Okay, we just go take care of work tomorrow. Tomorrow is Saturday. It's my Friday. Thankfully, I made a mess right here on the 4th of June. So the 4th of June, gym. But I always walk every day, so daily walking. But I want to go to the gym on June 4th. And then appointment Monday. 9 a.m. And then my package is supposed to be coming on the 5th of June. So check. Package. So I should receive my Temu order on the 5th of June. So it should be delivered. Okay. Because I don't know what's going on with my package. I haven't heard anything back, you know, in the app for about like 7 days now. So, but I ain't gonna worry too much about it. Okay. And then for June the 12th budget. Okay. And then I have another appointment June 10th at 9 a.m. Do we have any holidays in June? And then June 20th is a special day to me because it's my cousin Lydia's birthday. Rest in peace to my cousin. She passed away 10 years ago. Her name was Lydia, and her birthday is June 20th. And I always mark it down in my calendar as a remembrance of her, and I celebrate her on her birthday, wishing her a happy birthday, a happy heavenly birthday. Yeah, y'all, so this is so far everything that I have going on at the moment with my monthly planner for June. I'm not gonna go to planning right now, but later on I shall add in more, you know, calendar important dates on the June monthly planner here, okay? Because I just don't want to overdo stuff because I can get ahead of myself. And yeah. Now my work planner, where did it go? I think my work planner is in my work bag. Yeah, but nothing is really going on with work. Things I have to take care of. I'm gonna leave a note for myself for in the morning for work. I'm gonna cut this short, okay? Because I'm being realistic with y'all, and this is in real time. This is not no realistic night. This is my real monthly plan with me, okay? But I'm gonna just keep everything short and simple right now because I'm like to myself, because I'm like saying to myself right now, like, girl, what's the point of even being in a rush? Like, what are you rushing for? I have these stickers here in this sticker book that I forgot all about. But yeah, my thing is, girl, what are you rushing for? You ain't got nothing to rush about. So yeah. But yeah, I will talk to y'all later. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this vlog. See y'all tomorrow. Good night. Peace out.